The alarm goes off at 6:30. Before the coffee's done brewing, the notifications have already started. A work order flagged overnight, a non-conformance in the queue, and somewhere on the shop floor, a part that needs rework today. Meet Alex, a manufacturing engineer at a leading defense contractor. Every day, Alex takes designs, drawings, and specifications and turns them into a step-by-step build plan that shop floor operators can actually follow. Alex's morning starts with the plan, and in high-stakes manufacturing, the plan is everything. Revision-controlled, routing-driven templates tell every operator exactly what to do, in what order, and how to prove they did it. Getting this right up front means fewer surprises downstream. Routings come down from the ERP. They're the skeleton of the workflow. But Alex adds the muscle: specific operation codes, skill level requirements, data collection checkpoints. Every step is designed so nothing falls through the cracks, and every operator knows exactly what's expected. Once a manufacturing plan is approved, work orders flow automatically. No manual handoffs, no lost paperwork. But when something changes mid-build, Alex redlines on the fly, pushes the update to every active order in the same status, and keeps the floor moving without missing a beat. Here's the part no one loves, but Alex is ready for it. A non-conformance hits. A part doesn't meet spec. Instead of scrambling, Alex opens the NC directly from the work order, triages the discrepancy, and kicks off a task plan to bring the part back into conformity, all within the same system. At the end of a build, Alex needs to prove it. Every serial number, every lot code, every sub-assembly inspection, traceable configuration sheets pull all of it together into an end item data packet, a complete record of everything that went into that part, ready for the customer or the auditor. By the time most people are wrapping up their second meeting of the day, Alex has reviewed a plan, cleared a non-conformance, and signed off on a completed work order. Speed, clarity, control from the inside. That's what great manufacturing quality looks like every single day.